Hello everybody. Good morning. How are you? Are you fine? Feeling well, happy, delighted, cheerful? Okay, that's great that you are fine. And I'm Zulfan with the grace of Almighty Allah. سلام ګران زده کوونکو سهار په خیر. په دې هیله چې روغ جوړ او صحتمند اوسئ. ګران زده کوونکو بیا هم زه ستاسو د انګلیسي د ژبې استاد هلال احمد محرس یم. Today we're going to talk about class objects. زمونږ د نن ورځې درس دی class object. Page 26 صفحه د شپږویشتمه class object. You know, what does class object mean? Class object. What does class object mean? Anybody knows? Class object. Mana the ټولګي اشیا یا د ټولګي شیان. What do we have in the class? په class یا په صنف کې موږ څه شی لرو? What do we have in the class? It's called class object. څه شی چې موږ په صنف کې لرو دته موږ څه شی وایو؟ Class object وایو. So now in this classroom, right? It's a classroom. What do we have here in this classroom? په دغه صنف کې موږ څه شی لرو؟ We have a wall. موږ دیوال لرو, right? So we have a wall. په صنف کې دیوال څه دی؟ Wall, right? This is the one thing. Wall. In the classroom, there is wall. دیوال دی پکې. What's next? No پکې چی دی. In the classroom, we have a clock. په صنف کې مونږه clock ساعت لرو. So this is clock, right? Let me put clock here. So we have clock. And what do we have after this? What do we have next? In the class, we have a map. په صنف کې مونږه نقشه لرو. It's a map, right? نقشه لرو په صنف کې. And what do we have else in the class? No په صنف کې څه لرو. Okay, we have a map. نقشه لرو. And after map, we have the next thing in the class. We have a door. په صنف کې موږ دروازه لرو. Door, right? Okay, now let me put door here. We have a door in the class. So this is a door, right? And what do we have after this? We have a window. Pa khalkai laru pa صنف کې window, right? So now let me put window here. This is a window. Pa ټولګي کې مونږه څه شی لرو؟ کړکۍ لرو, window. Okay, and also we have a duster. مونږه په ټولګي کې eraser لرو. Eraser تخت پاک, right? Eraser. So now let me put also eraser here. We have eraser. This is eraser, right? And what do we have in the classroom? We have chalk. You know chalk? This is colorful chalk. Daranga tabashir di. And also we have white chalk. Spin tabashir ham we. This is called white chalk. This is white chalk. And this is colorful chalk, right? So chalk means tabashir. We have also chalk in the classroom. What do we have? We have chalk. So chalk means tabashir, right? We have chalk. And what do we have? We also have a table in the classroom. Pa صنف کې مونږه چی لرو؟ میز لرو. So it's a table. So let me put it right here. This is a table. And also in the classroom we have a chair. So this is a chair, right? In the classroom we have a chair. So also in the classroom we have a computer. په صنف کې مونږه کمپیوټر لرو, چوکۍ لرو. And we have students. په صنف کې شاګردان لرو, students, right? And also in the classroom we have board. تخته لرو. This is a green board. دا کومه تخته دی؟ شنه تخته. This is a whiteboard. سپینه تخته. This is a blackboard. او دا دی توره تخته. Okay. Dear students, we have these things in the classroom. مونږ دغه شیان لرو په ټولګي کې. We have these things in the classroom. مونږ په ټولګي کې دغه شیان لرو. Okay, now page 26. Page 26. شپږویشتمه صفحه دی. Listen and repeat. Look, listen and repeat. I told you in previous lesson. ما تاسو ته په تیر درس کې وویل کنه چې د صنف یا د ټولګي لارښوونې listen معنا غوږ شئ repeat ما پسې تکرار کړئ wall 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 clock 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 number 2 clock word number 3 map 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 word number 4 door 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 word number 5 window 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 खिड़की window word number 6 eraser 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 and word number 7 chalk 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 tabashir chalk word number 8 table 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 mana maze and word number 9 is chair what chair 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 mana chaukai word number 10 لسم لغات computer 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 mana computer and student 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 mana زده‌کوونکی students زده‌کوونکی شاگردان student and we also have a blackboard so we also have here a blackboard this is blackboard right tora takhta this is a whiteboard the spinne takhta day and this is a green board او دا day shna takhta so board mana takhta also word 13 the lasam lughat teacher 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 ustad right okay now what is this da tashayday what is this what is used to talk about things what the chi pada pukhtana koي د شیانو پاکله we talked about it in the previous lesson په تیرو درسونو کې مونږ په وټ باندې خبرې هم کړې وي په وټ کې مو جملې جوړې کړې وي او وټ د څه لپاره استعمالوو دا مو تشریح کړی وو what is used to ask about things what د شیانو په اړه پوښتنه کوي what is د یو شي په اړه what are د زیاتو شیانو په اړه پوښتنه چې کله کوي now what is this I'm going to tell you what is this then you should tell me you should just tell me what's this right what is this دا څه شی دی what is this it is a wall and what is this it is a clock what is this it is a map what is this it is a door what is this it is a window what is this it is an eraser what is this it is a table what is this what is this no what نجوړيږي ولې ځکه دا اشخاص دي what د اشخاصو په اړه یا د کسانو په اړه سوال یا پوښتنه نه کوي what د شیانو په اړه پوښتنه کوي د کسانو یا د اشخاصو په اړه موږ سوال په who باندې کوو who is he یا who are they دا څوک دي they are students دا شاګردان دي now what is this it is a computer دا چې دی دا یو computer دی what is this دا څه شی دی it is a chair دا دی یوه چوکۍ or what is this دا څه شی دی what is this دا څه شی دی what is this it's a chalk what are these کله چې جمع سي what are these دا څه شی دي they are chalks دا تباشیرونه دي right and the next is like what is this دا څه شی دی it is a door دا یوه دروازه ده now what to do dear students اوس به تاسې څه شی کوئ what is this it is a map you have given 12 words تاسو ته څو لغاتونه درکړل شوي دي 12 دانې د هر یو نوم په اړه همداسې سوال وکړئ what is this بیا جواب ورکړئ it is what is this بیا جواب ورکړئ it is سمه ده okay now spelling اوس راشي spelling ته work with a partner spell the word to your partner students should take turns د ملګري په مرسته کلمه یعنی د ملګري په مرسته کلمه خپل ملګري ته هجا کړئ زده کوونکي دې نوبت واخلي now you know like you should turn the rule make sentences and also ask about the spelling like how do we spell chalk chalk څنګه spell کوو CHALK همدارنګه پوښتنې وکړئ د یو بل څخه now how do you spell like how do you spell chair CHAIR right and also you can just ask about these words you have been given 8 words here down at the bottom of this page د دغه صفحې په لاندې برخه کې تاسو ته اته کلمات درکړي تاسو به د هرې کلمې سپل زده کوئ په کتابچې کې به ځان ته لیکئ چې how do you spell book دا به لیکئ چې BOOK how do you spell page همدارنګه how do you spell partner how do you spell blackboard how do you spell write how do you spell repeat how do you spell read how do you spell talk you know it's very easy just ask about these things it's finished then right okay dear students this was our today's lesson was about class objects زمونږ د نن ورځې درس the class object یعنی د صنف اشیا what do we have in the class په صنف کې موږ څه شی لرو we have wall we have clock we have a board students teacher eraser you know we have all these things in the classroom we have a table we have a chair we have a map you know we have a lot of learning materials in the classroom موږ ډیر زیات د زده کړې اشیا یا سامان په صنف کې لرو so it was our today's lesson that was among the learners that try to memorize all these words دغه کلمات حفظ کړئ and I hope you learned a lot په دې هیله چې تاسو ډیر څه زده کړئ وي this was our today's lesson that was among the learners درس او په دې هیله چې د نن ورځې درس تاسو ته ګټور تمام شوی وي ګرانو زده کوونکو تر بیا درس ته پورې تاسو په لوی رب باندې سپارم ښه ورځ د خدای په امان